Some homeowners associations are pushing back on a new law aimed at preventing a ban on pickup and work trucks in neighborhood driveways.
And we've received such an incredible response from our viewers on this story that I-Team investigator Adam Walser is now diving back into this issue, learning why some HOAs say they do not have to follow the new law.
This certainly has gotten a lot of attention here in Florida. On YouTube in the first 17 hours, more than 131,000 views and nearly 1,000 comments, including HOAs are out of control and need to be regulated. I don't understand why any HOA would ban parking for an owner's personal vehicles in their driveway. And this is BS. How is it an HOA has more power than a governor? Ryan McIntyre loves his 2014 Chevy Silverado pickup, but he doesn't love one of his HOA's rules, which keeps him from parking it in his driveway overnight. He thought a new state law would change that.
Imagine how ecstatic I was when I heard that I could park it in my own house.
The new law, which took effect on July 1st, says homeowners association documents, including declarations of covenants, articles of incorporation, or bylaws, may not preclude a property owner or a tenant, a guest, or an invitee from parking his or her personal vehicle, including a pickup truck, in the property owner's driveway. But Ryan's HOA here in the Meadows and other HOAs across Florida are pushing back, arguing that the application of the new law depends on the governing language of the community association at the time it was recorded.
How can they go against state law?
The Meadows Community Association sent emails to residents telling them it came down to something known as Kaufman language.
Do you know about the Kaufman?
Yeah, that's what the attorney told us. It was some court case.
If you have certain Kaufman language, that's indicating if the legislature changes the statute, that would apply.
Attorney Jonathan Ellis says the Meadows and other neighborhoods which don't have Kaufman language, which includes the phrase "as amended from time to time," don't have to follow the new law.
Does it automatically incorporate any amendments? If it doesn't incorporate any amendments, then does a statute like this necessarily apply retroactively or not?
Ellis says with no Kaufman language, existing HOA rules can still be enforced under the idea that homeowners agree to follow them when they move into the community.
It's much like a contract. And generally, the legislature, after a contract's entered, can't change the contract.
McIntyre says he got about 50 parking citations from his HOA since he moved into the neighborhood 5 years ago.
Each violation is $100.
He eventually ended up in HOA court with the threat of a $5,000 lien on his house. Did they make you pay that?
We did not. We came to an agreement and it was expunged.
You feel kind of like a criminal?
Kinda.
For now, Ryan has to drive his truck twice a day to an off-site parking lot to avoid new fines, hoping his neighborhood changes its stance in light of the new law.
Until, we can finalize how this is going to play out, we'll play the game.
My team investigator Adam Walser with photojournalist Matt McGlashan taking action for you.